Welcome to the Kikkoman K12 webinar. I'm Chef Andrew Hunter. I'm the executive chef of Kikkoman, and now I'll pass it to the presenter.
So we're gonna go into our K12 menu tips. And so we all know K12 food service is more important than ever before. According to the USDA FY 2025 data, over 95,000 institutions serve school lunches to nearly 30 million students every single day. In a study done by Tufts University, schools are now the most nutritious place American children are eating their meals. So how do we make school meals more exciting? The challenge really falls on K-12 food service operators to not only make nutritionally compliant meals, but also reduce costs while facing labor shortages. Not an easy challenge. And we also understand that one of the major issues is getting more students to eat at school and to get more participants in school meal programs. So what we've done is done some research and we've identified 4 ways to help with this. The first is to introduce globally inspired meals into your recipe repertoire. Schools are catering to increasingly diverse student bodies, which encourages more and more cultural exchange and learning. Incorporating international flavors on everyday menus help keep dishes unique and exciting while also allowing students to try new things and exercise their palate. In fact, 90% of parents encourage their kids to try new foods and flavors, and Gen Alpha is being exposed to diverse flavors earlier than any other previous generation, according to the Food Institute. The second thing to keep in mind is to keep things allergy friendly. An increase in diverse students also comes with an increase in complex diets and dietary needs. There is a rising need for halal, low sodium, gluten free, kosher, vegan, and other allergy friendly meal offerings. In a study by Data Central, 17% of parents say children in their household have a food allergy. So this is becoming more and more prevalent and something to keep top of mind. The third is to keep things protein rich and study ready. Prepare your students for a day of fun, learning, and exercise by providing protein rich meals that help fuel their day and set them up for success. Making sure meals are USDA compliant and add healthy greens and proteins to students' diets is the best way to keep them coming back for more. And lastly, keeping things interactive. Make things hands-on and fun by allowing your students to participate in their meals themselves. This could be selecting their own toppings, or making their own wraps, or even creating their own pizzas. Every little bit of interaction gets the student interested in their meals. So, how do we accomplish this with Kikkoman? Kikkoman is your trusted partner that's here with low sodium, gluten free, kosher, and made in the USA products. We help bridge that gap between cost and taste for K-12 food service operators. We have a wide range of diverse product categories, including a gluten-free solutions line filled with delicious and allergy-friendly products such as our sriracha or our tamari soy sauce. We also have many less sodium products that help operators maintain regulated sodium intakes within meals. All of our sauces are also great staples for your kitchens and can be used across a variety of recipes, from hamburgers to pastas to wraps and rice bowls. This makes cross-utilization delicious and cost-effective. We also have our Pearl soy milk line with no more than 10 grams of added sugar and 8 grams of protein, making it a healthy alternative to traditional milks, with 3 delicious flavors as well. So we also have Kikkoman 12 recipes created just for you, from partnerships with great K-12 chefs that understand the complexity of making recipes compliant and fully creditable. We have worked with amazing chefs such as Chef Joe Urban, Chef Rebecca Polson, and more. All of their amazing recipes can be found on our Kikkoman website under K-12 resources with access to our recipe brochures. So let's take some time and learn together and watch our chef demo. We'll be introducing our Chef Corrie's orange chicken yakitori bento recipe.